Hey there, iPhone enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we got something incredibly exciting for all you proud iPhone 15 owners. A countdown of the top 10 must-have accessories that will take your iPhone experience to the next level. From cutting-edge tech to stylish essentials, we've scored the market to bring you the ultimate list. Whether you're a tech guru, a fashion-forward trendsetter, or just looking to enhance your daily routine, we've got something for everyone. So buckle up as we dive into the world of innovation and convenience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest and greatest iPhone content. Let's get started. Number 10. Anker M650 Wireless Lavalier Microphone. The Anker M650 Wireless Lavalier Microphone is a cutting-edge audio solution for professionals and content creators seeking superior sound quality and flexibility. This sleek and compact wireless microphone offers unparalleled convenience, allowing users to move freely without being tethered by cables. The M650 employs advanced technology to deliver crystal-clear audio, making it ideal for interviews, presentations, vlogging, and other recording purposes. Its reliable wireless connectivity ensures a seamless experience, while the compact lavalier design discreetly captures high-quality sound. With a user-friendly interface and long-lasting battery life, the Anker M650 is a versatile and reliable tool that enhances audio recording in various settings, empowering users to achieve professional-grade results with ease. Number 9. Olumu G054 4-in-1 MagSafe Phone Grip. The Olumu G054 4-in-1 MagSafe Phone Grip is a versatile accessory that seamlessly integrates with MagSafe technology, enhancing the user experience for iPhone owners. This innovative phone grip offers a secure and comfortable hold, preventing accidental drops while providing easy access to device functionalities. Its 4-in-1 design incorporates a magnetic feature, allowing users to attach it to MagSafe-compatible accessories like chargers and mounts effortlessly. Crafted with premium materials, the Olumu G054 combines durability with a sleek aesthetic. With its ergonomic design and magnetic capabilities, this phone grip stands out as a practical and stylish solution for individuals seeking both functionality and convenience in their daily mobile interactions. Number 8. Rhinos Aqua Stand Magnetic Bottle 27 Oz. The Rhinos Aqua Stand Magnetic Bottle, with a generous 27 Oz capacity, is a sleek and innovative hydration solution. Crafted with durability in mind, it features a robust design that withstands daily wear and tear. The standout feature is its magnetic base, allowing users to conveniently attach the bottle to metallic surfaces like gym equipment or refrigerators. This hands-free capability enhances accessibility and ensures the bottle is always within reach. The bottle's leak-proof construction and easy-to-clean design make it a practical choice for active lifestyles. With its modern aesthetics and functional design, the Rhinos Aqua Stand Magnetic Bottle is a versatile and stylish companion for staying hydrated on the go. Number 7. Spigen Omag Ring. The Spigen Omag Ring is a sleek and versatile accessory designed to enhance your mobile experience. This magnetic ring adheres securely to the back of your smartphone, providing a convenient grip and doubling as a stand. Crafted with precision, it ensures a comfortable hold, reducing the risk of accidental drops. The integrated magnet is compatible with various magnetic mounts, enabling effortless hands-free use in your car or workspace. The Omag Ring's 360-degree rotation adds flexibility, allowing you to find the perfect viewing angle. With its stylish design and practical functionality, this Spigen accessory is a must-have for those seeking a reliable and stylish smartphone companion. Number 6. Peak Design Mobile Tripod. The Peak Design Mobile Tripod redefines on-the-go stability, embodying the brand's commitment to innovative and functional design. Weighing in at a mere 0.28 kilogram and collapsing to a pocket-sized 6 inches, this tripod seamlessly integrates into any adventure. Crafted with precision using durable materials like aluminum and glass-reinforced nylon, it ensures reliability without compromising portability. The universal phone mount accommodates various devices, providing a secure grip for both vertical and horizontal orientations. Quick-to-deploy legs and a ball head with 360-degree rotation further enhance its versatility, catering to a range of shooting angles. Whether capturing stunning landscapes or vlogging on the move, the Peak Design Mobile Tripod is a testament to the fusion of form and function in the realm of mobile photography. Number 5. DJI Magnetic Ring Holder Clamp. The DJI Magnetic Ring Holder Clamp is a versatile accessory designed to enhance the functionality of DJI products. Crafted with precision, this magnetic ring holder provides a secure and convenient grip for a variety of devices including smartphones and tablets. The clamp's magnetic design ensures quick and effortless attachment, allowing users to easily mount and dismount their devices without any hassle. Its sturdy build ensures stability during operation, making it an ideal companion for DJI drones, gimbals, and other compatible devices. The adjustable ring provides a comfortable grip, enhancing user control and reducing the risk of accidental drops. With the DJI Magnetic Ring Holder Clamp, users can confidently navigate their devices while enjoying a seamless and efficient experience. Number 4. UGREEN 45 watts USB-C charger. The UGREEN 45 watts USB-C charger for iPhone 15 is a cutting-edge charging solution designed to optimize the power delivery for the latest iPhone model. With a robust 45 watts output, it ensures rapid charging, minimizing downtime and keeping you connected. The USB-C interface guarantees a versatile and future-proof charging experience, offering convenience and compatibility with various devices. The UGREEN's commitment to safety is evident through built-in safeguards that protect against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, providing peace of mind during charging sessions. Compact and portable, the charger is ideal for on-the-go use, ensuring your iPhone 15 stays powered up efficiently wherever you are. Upgrade your charging experience with the UGREEN 45 watts USB-C charger for reliable and fast performance. Number 3. SUPI 100 watts 10-foot USB-C cable. The SUPI 100 watts 10-foot USB-C cable is a high-quality charging and data transfer solution designed to meet the demands of modern devices. With a robust 100 watts power delivery capability, this cable ensures rapid charging for a variety of gadgets including laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The generous 10-foot length provides flexibility and convenience, allowing users to comfortably use their devices while charging. The USB-C compatibility guarantees seamless connectivity across a wide range of devices, ensuring versatility in usage. The cable is durably constructed to withstand daily wear and tear, featuring reinforced connectors and a tangle-free design. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, the SUPI 100 watts 10-foot USB-C cable delivers reliable and efficient power delivery for your devices. Number 2. GAGO AIRPO True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. The GAGO AIRPO True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds redefine portable audio with their sleek design and advanced features. Offering a seamless wireless experience, these earbuds boast Bluetooth connectivity for easy pairing with devices. The compact and ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, while the powerful sound quality delivers a rich audio experience. With touch controls, users can effortlessly manage calls, music playback, and access voice assistants. The earbuds also feature a reliable battery life, providing extended usage on a single charge. Additionally, the GAGO AIRPO earbuds are designed to be water-resistant, making them ideal for workouts or outdoor activities. Overall, these earbuds combine style, functionality, and convenience, offering a premium audio solution for on-the-go lifestyles. Number 1. Nomad Transparent 30 watts Power Adapter. The Nomad Transparent 30 watts Power Adapter is a cutting-edge charging solution that seamlessly blends form and function. With its transparent design, it offers a unique aesthetic appeal, allowing users to see the internal components at work. Delivering a powerful 30 watts of charging capability, this adapter ensures rapid and efficient charging for a variety of devices, from smartphones to tablets and laptops. Its compact size and foldable prongs make it highly portable, perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. Equipped with advanced safety features, the Nomad Transparent 30 watts Power Adapter provides reliable and secure charging, giving users peace of mind. This innovative accessory exemplifies Nomad's commitment to combining style, performance, and convenience in a single sleek package. Thanks for joining us on this tech adventure, exploring the top 10 must-have iPhone 15 accessories. Elevate your iPhone experience with these cutting-edge gadgets. From sleek cases that blend style and protection to futuristic wireless chargers, we've curated a list of essentials that will enhance your daily life. Don't miss out on the latest innovations designed to complement the iPhone 15's advanced features. Which accessory caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to stay tuned for more tech reviews, guides, and exciting updates. Until next time, stay connected and accessorize your iPhone to the max.